The courtroom begins with a quiet tension as Natasha Morgan stands before Judge Stephanie Boyd, her voice steady but her future collapsing. She admits she failed her probation, missed months of reporting, no address, nowhere to turn. And when the judge asks why she didn't come for help, the answer breaks the room.
Do I go on to the defendant, Your Honor?
And are you Natasha Elizabeth Morgan?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
All right. Did you review the motion to revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
Are you the same Natasha Elizabeth Morgan who was placed on community supervision in 2024 CR 1225 for the offense of robbery on July 2nd, 2024 for a term of 10 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
State.
Violation of condition number 4 in Air County, Texas, the defendant Natasha Elizabeth Morgan did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of July, August, and September of 2025 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True, Your Honor.
And we waive and abandon the remainder.
No objection, Your Honor.
All right. Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to a $500 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor, it's for the court to grant the state's motion for both the defendant and reform from judgment to reflect a 6-year term in prison.
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right. Are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
All right. Probation. Was there any restitution to the complainant that was due?
So, Judge.
Then the court will follow your agreement, sentence you to 6 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's to be no residing in households with minors and no unsupervised contact with minors. Thank you, State. You may be excused. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea, and because you have the right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
All right, we can go off the record. So what happened? Why couldn't you successfully complete it?
Well, Judge Boyd, just be honest with you, I couldn't do it no more. I didn't have an address. I just gave up.
All you had to do was come in here and talk to me or either call probation.
No, I thought about it.
Yeah. All right, well, good luck to you, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I have the excuse, Your Honor.
Yes.
Thank you, Judge.
Yeah.
Have a seat, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, 7841, State versus Dartanian Reason. Could I have parties approach and announce for the record?
Attorney Bill Simmons for defense.
I'm so sorry. How do you pronounce your first name?
D'Artagnan, like the Three Musketeers.
Okay, Dartanian Reason.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
I still have yet to watch the movie.
Oh, you need to watch the movie.
I think I'll read the book.
Okay. All right, we're here for sentencing. You entered a plea on September 9th, according to the plea bargain agreement. Punishment is to be assessed at $1,000 fine. The state recommends deferred adjudication. They're taking in consideration 2025 PF 20245. Have both parties had a chance to review the PSI report?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Any objections?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
All right, anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor, we think the PSI speaks for itself. He has had some issues, but he did take full responsibility. He knows he could have done things differently, and we pray that the court follows the plea agreement.
All right, anything from the state?
No, Judge.
All right, state, you may be excused. All right, so what were your issues on this day?
Not too sure.
Well, I mean, they're recommending that you be placed on the mental health caseload. And I know there were previous hospitalizations for him. So are you current on your medications?
For severe ADHD.
I'm sorry?
No, not for the severe ADHD. I have some from college when the doctor prescribed some left over, but I don't take it on a daily.
Okay, when's the last time you saw a doctor?
Since I came here to college, put myself through college, I haven't been able to get healthcare really.
Okay. Because it seems to the court, and correct me if I'm wrong, counsel, that there is mental health issues. According to the PSI report.
According to the PSI, Your Honor. Oh, I'm sorry, Your Honor, I didn't mean.
No. So he needs to figure out how to obtain his medications, because otherwise there may be issues for him. And it appears that part of the reasons for this happening, and the reason I'm assuming the state offered him deferred adjudication, is because of mental health issues.
Yes, Your Honor. And the PSI, I believe, addresses the Genesis program. I also conferred with probation as it relates to kind of the ins and outs of that program.
Mhm.
And I'd also discussed that with Mr. Reason, anticipating that the court would probably pick up on that. And so we don't have any objections if the court were to order him into that caseload, Judge.
All right. And are you living by yourself?
Yes, ma'am. I just got my first apartment.
Okay. And do you have any family support here or no?
No, ma'am. I came to Texas in 2018 and put myself through college and leave Detroit, and I've just been doing life on my own since, trying my best.
Okay. Ms. Abrams, what do you suggest? We have some mental health issues and he's not on medications because he doesn't have health care. And you all are recommending the mental health caseload. Should I also refer him to Center for Healthcare Services or? Okay. All right. So what do you need from the court to be successful?
I asked the probation officers for resources to help me with like food and things like that, just to help me set myself up for success.
Okay. And
I
are
got those
you,
resources.
so you have an apartment, are you employed?
Yes, ma'am.
And what do you do?
I am a sales associate. I used to, before this, which I'm hoping to go back to, I was a supervisor at the airport for plane refuelers.
Okay.
It's pretty fun.
All right. The court is going to sentence you to $1,000 fine. That will be probated. There should be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular random UAs. Proof of employment within 45 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Taking consideration.
But the day does not end there. Another defendant, Dartanian Reason, steps forward. What begins as routine sentencing becomes a vulnerable confession of mental health struggles and isolation. Now the judge must decide, punishment or a lifeline.
Restitution. No possession or ownership of any animals. The mixed caseload. Field visits 1 time per month for 6 months. Probation. Is there anything else that's recommended?
Definitely.
All right, when you see probation, you need to make sure that they know that you need to seek help with Center for Healthcare Services. And I know they'll do it, but sometimes people forget.
Yeah,
Sometimes things fall through the crack. And how do you spell your last name?
Reason, Reason.
All right, so the record will reflect that the last name is spelled Reason, not Reeson. Showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and
Yes.
sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you.
And happy belated birthday.
Oh, it's not belated. I celebrate the entire month, but I appreciate that.
Your Honor, did you have a rejection form?
Yes. Vashon, could you come in for a second around this way? All right, who else is ready?
Wait tonight and we'll do third one down, now we Saturday.
Alexandria Dean.
We're ready, Judge. Morning, Judge.
Good morning. We have the fall weather.
I
The
know.
morning. I wish they would stop changing the time though. Feels bad for the children who are up at, in the dark standing for a bus.
Nobody told me until it was already over, and I was like, what's going on?
Yeah. All right. Today is plea deadline date.
So we are going to be submitting an application for a PTD.
Okay,
It is agreed.
okay.
I don't know how far out the court sets those. I imagine it hopefully won't take longer than 30 days, but I always ask for a little bit more
Okay.
just in case, but I anticipate this case will fall off your docket
All right, and when are you planning on getting everything to them?
today. She's going to go to my office today. I will have it submitted by tomorrow at the latest.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a PTD date. All right, December 11th.
That should be fine,
All
John.
right, thank you for dressing appropriate for court. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Happy birthday, by the way.
Oh, thank you. This is so awesome.
Oh,
Thank you.
well, that says happy birthday. That's different.
Thank you.
She turned 30 today.
Oh, he's joking with you.
All right.
I'm in the twilight of my life.
You're good. I'll bring you.
Okay, third one down.
Yeah. All right, who else is ready?
They're ready on all their. Right. That's on page 10, Judge.
All right, thank you.
Sorry, I was looking for.
Oh, no problem. All right, who's here on Daniel Ramos Balderas?
You're good.
Court is calling 2024 CR 2985. State versus Daniel Ramos Balderas. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Lauren Espinoza,
Defense?
No, Daniel for defendant.
And are you Daniel Ramos Balderas?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Daniel Ramos Balderas who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2024 CR 2985 for the offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle on June 24, 2024 for a period of 2 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state. No problem. Oh, do you want to use mine?
Yes, please. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Violated condition number 1 on or about the 23rd day of August 2025 in Kendall County, Texas, the defendant Daniel Ramos Balderas committed the offense of evading arrest in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Your Honor, my client's requesting a reset. Can we move forward?
I'm sorry, what?
We weren't expected to move forward. We were requesting a reset today.
No, I mean, we are moving forward. So does he plead true or not true?
Not true.
All right, how do you plead true or not true?
Not true.
All right, read the next. Are you going on,
There is another condition number 1.
yes.
Violated condition number 1 on or about the 23rd day of August 2025 in Kendall County, Texas, the defendant Daniel Ramos Balderas committed the offense of evading arrest in condition.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Not true.
And then we'll waive the rest. Your Honor.
All right, do you object to the waiver of the other violations? All right, so I'm so sorry. You're gonna have to speak up so I can hear.
No, Your Honor.
All right. And state these are the only 2 violations that you're proceeding on?
Yes, Judge, I spoken with the prosecutors out of county and they were those 2. So if we were to proceed with the full on hearing to do those.
Okay, all right. And when will you all be ready for the contested?
Your Honor, I would defer to Mr. Daggett. Our witnesses will be coming from about 2 hours a day, so whenever this is fit for discussion.
All right, Ms. Ferguson. This will be reset in 10 days for a contested hearing.
Yes, sir.
What date?
You
All right, November 13th, there will be a contested hearing. You will be brought over. Do you understand? Any other questions, counsel?
No,
All right, thank you. Have a good one.
Have a seat, sir.
The courtroom session begins with the routine structure, but the first case carries weight. Natasha Elizabeth Morgan stands accused of violating her community supervision for a prior robbery conviction. The judge asks direct questions, and Natasha answers quietly, pleading true to failing to report for months. She understands the risk, a potential 10-year sentence. A plea agreement has been arranged, and the judge follows it. 6 years in state prison, credit for time served, and strict conditions regarding minors. Before Natasha is escorted away, the judge pauses and asks the simplest question, "Why didn't you come talk to me?" Natasha's voice breaks. She had no home. She simply gave up. The judge's response is steady, soft, but absolute. She could have asked for help. The chance is gone now. Natasha whispers, "Yes, ma'am." The next case offers a different path. Dartanian Reason, soft-spoken and composed, faces sentencing for an offense connected to untreated mental health challenges. He explains how he moved alone to Texas, put himself through college, and has been surviving on his own. The judge reviews the psychological evaluations and probation recommendations. Instead of prison, she offers structure. 4 years deferred adjudication, a mental health caseload, community service, employment verification, treatment enrollment, and monthly supervision. 2 defendants, 2 outcomes, 1 judge balancing accountability with mercy. The courtroom falls silent.